You can set your phone to always ring when a specific contact calls you, regardless whether your phone is on mute or vibrate. But how you do this depends on what type of Android phone you're using. I'm going to show you first how to do this on a Samsung phone like mine, and then show another solution for all non-Samsung users. If you're on Samsung phone, you'll go to the Contacts app first and find the person you want to make the exception for. I'll find someone from my contacts list, and then when looking at their contact info, I'll tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and choose Change Ringtone/Vibration. We'll pick the ringtone option, and here you'll have a toggle on the very top that allows calls from this person to ring even when your phone is set to vibrate or mute. Just toggle that on, and then repeat the process for everyone whose calls you'd like to always ring. Like I said, I think this is mostly a Samsung-specific feature, but it might be available on some other phones as well running Android 16. If you don't have that option, then we'll have to sort of work around this by using the Do Not Disturb mode. So in this case, instead of putting your phone on silent, you just enable Do Not Disturb mode, which you can toggle from the quick settings. This will mute all calls and notifications until it's turned off, and we can configure calls from specific people to ring even with Do Not Disturb mode on. There's a couple of ways we can now choose the people whose calls are allowed to ring. I can go to my Contacts app again and find a contact I'd like to always ring. I'll tap the little star button on the bottom to add this person to my favorites. This is a good way to do this if you have a lot of people that you'd like to allow as the exceptions. Then I'll go to my settings and scroll down to Notifications, which is where the Do Not Disturb settings are on my phone. Some phones have this under the sound and vibration settings, or if you're struggling to find it, you can just search for Do Not Disturb. I'll go to the Do Not Disturb settings and then go to Calls and Messages. Here, I can either assign a person whose calls will always ring no matter what. I'll pick Amy from my list, and now her calls will always ring even when I have Do Not Disturb mode on. The other way to do this would be to tap Calls and change that to Favorite Contacts Only. This will basically allow my phone to ring for anyone who I've tapped that star button for in my Contacts app. So, it's basically a group setting, while the option on the top allows you to pick individual contacts. I can do the same thing for messages as well. Overall, this is not as good as the Samsung option I showed earlier, but it's a decent workaround for the phones that don't have that option. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.